and welcome back. Okay, there's no project today. Apart from putting on a piece of pipe, this is sharp. Instead, I thought it'd be nice to do a thank you video, as this is the last video indoors. It's a momentous moment. Thanks to everyone that has helped in some shape or form with parts and funding the bike's restoration. None of this would have been possible without you, and special thanks to my patrons. It's been a true labour of love, but worth it. Thanks to everyone that has watched the project from beginning, and to those of you that are new subscribers. So next time we'll get the bike moved outside and the tank on. It's exciting. Yeah, that's better, and the pipe works well. Thanks for watching and for all your support, folks. Take care and ride safe. Yeah, as soon as the fuel tank's back on, I'll start the engine and get the bike running.